Yeah, it dropped it. Wow. See the first run? Step back. Good morning guys, welcome back to a whole nother video. Day 4, our final day at EFT. Bit of a sour one to wake up knowing it's our last day actually. I hate leaving this place. Hate leaving the fishing, hate leaving the staff, hate leaving the dog. Man, it just sucks. So it is what it is. We'll come back another time. But for today, we've got some serious fishing to do. We've just caught virtually carp all trip. And today we're just going to be putting boilies out, dead baits, and we're really trying to get some predators. That's what we need. We need to change up our variety, change up our species, and get some hard fighting fish in. So that's the plan for today. We've got the same swim. We're over in 12 over the other side of the lake. Where's 12? Yep, there, where them bushes are. I think we've got a different guide again today, but that's fine, no issues. Bit of surface action at the moment. We've just ordered breakfast. I've got a coffee coming. I need a coffee today. It's a bit harder to get out of bed this morning. I don't know if it was just because I'm tired or knowing it's the last day, but it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking crap. We're gonna go up, eat breakfast. We'll let you have a look at that and make our way over to our swim. See you then. Hello dingo. Alright, breakfast here, dingo's here, of course. And yeah, we're gonna eat this and head over. We'll see you over there. Alrighty guys, just arrived at our swim. Looks like it's gonna be an absolute pearler of a day. New guide. And I just bought these. See if the camera can pick that up. Yeah, sushi special. We get given wicked tuna boilies just as a part of your fishing package. That's what every swim gets. So I thought we'll change it up. We'll try a different flavour. And we're probably going to fish the boilies quite hard today, and not so much the pop-up because yeah, we don't really want any more Siamese carp. We're trying to get some predators and something unique. But anyway, I'm going to stop talking crap because I think it's about to go 8 AM, and that means we can get our rods in the water. So we're going to bait up and get ready to go. Alright, war paint is on. I'm not sure that's really helping. I reckon all the fish are absolutely shitting their pants of the war paint, and that's why they haven't been biting. So yeah, that's my excuse anyway. Anyway guys, our rods are out. We've got our 3 rods. On the right, we have a dead bait on the bottom, just the tail of a mackerel. This rod here is our carp rod. So a lamb and a pop-up just out in the middle, not far out. And on the right, we have our bubble float with the head of a mackerel. Now the plan for today, what I'm going to do, so for the first 2 hours, we're going to have these 3 rods. And then after 2 hours is up, I'm going to pull the float in, and we're going to change to boilies and a PVA bag and try those new boilies we got. And I'm going to cast them out here into this pocket. Whoa. I hope the camera heard that. That was a huge fish jumped out. So yeah, we're going to go to boilies. So then for the majority of the day, we're going to have dead bait, a carp rod with lamb pop-up and boilies. And then for the last 3 hours, I might wind the carp rod in and just fish two predator dead baits and boilies, because we've had our fair share of carp. We're really after some predators, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and hopefully it works. We'll see. But so far around the lake, it's probably 8:15. No one's had anything on as of yet. But anyway, I'm gonna go sit down, get myself sorted for the day, and cross my fingers and my toes to get a big predator today. Big chopper, big alligator carp, big arapaima. Something to really finish this trip off would be lovely. But anyway. So we've just wound the bubble float in. It's about 9:30. Haven't had any luck. Hasn't looked like getting touched. So we're going to give the boilies a red hot crack today. So we've still got our rod on the right, dead bait on the bottom out here. Not far across is the Siamese Carp bait, the lamb, the pop-up. And I'm going to be putting the boilies over in this area, just to the right of that aerator, in this sort of shallow area around here. There's been quite a few arapaima surface, but who knows what we'll pull up. Hopefully an arapaima, but chance of ripsaw and all the other exotic species that have stocked here. So let's do this, come on. So guys, it's 11 o'clock now. We haven't had a touch on any of our baits. So what we've got, the left rod, that's boilies, and we've got that quite far out central, because we'll get no bites to the left. The middle rod over here is pop up with lamb. We've been baiting that heavily as well for carp. The rod on the right is a predator bait on the bottom, so just a half a fish on the bottom, just out to the right a bit. But yeah, no luck. But in saying that, the whole lake's quiet, so we'll just wait, be patient, keep baiting, and eventually we'll be rewarded, I'm sure. So that's our little update, and see you shortly. You got? Yeah. Good job, Po. Alright guys, this is an alligator by the sounds. I'm just going to wind constantly, because I don't want that hook to loose. Ah! Alligator.
Yeah, sure. Whoop, whoop.
Yeah. I was trying to keep, yeah. Hang up. Another alligator lost. It's funny because our line hit before it ran, and we thought it was just a fish hitting the line, so we stopped. And then Po was just winding in the tension. There was a fish on. He hooked it real good, and I was just constantly winding, trying to keep the tension on the fish. But they're bastards to catch, man. They just shake the absolute shit out of their head trying to throw the hooks. They remind me of a flathead back home. But anyway, we're gonna rebait and get it out. Oh well, first bite of the day. And I only just gave you that update literally 2 minutes ago too, so we'll keep at it. All right guys, 12:35. The rains are in. Bunches here. Got Thai green curry. Jem got pad crow. All our baits have just been rebaited just before the rain hits, so we don't have to get wet rebaiting, and we just wait. The lake's been pretty quiet all around. A couple of fish here and there, but yeah, that's about it. Anyway, we're gonna keep trying, and we'll get one. Yep. Wind this rod. Quick. Hold it up. Yeah. Thanks, babe. You can get the camera. Alrighty guys, it's been quiet all day. That line drag's a bit tight. It's been quiet all day, and this was on alarm and pop-up. We were just, as you can see in my hand, we were just making more alarm balls, and I was about to rebait it, and it just took off. We weren't expecting that. I just threw my thongs everywhere too, trying to run to it. Yeah, it's going left and right, so it's probably a carp.
Just missed.
Oh. Beautiful arapaima surface. It's weird, when the rain comes, all the fish become active, they're all surfacing. Not necessarily biting, but just surfacing everywhere. The weird thing was, this was the first, I didn't realise there was a back lead there. A back lead, which we were using yesterday. So this was the first bait we put out with a back lead on it. So maybe they do work. Can you maybe, James?
Oh no, I fit in the net, yeah.
For photo, yeah.
Same in here.
No
I
problem.
go with sock fit.
Okay.
Come on, mate. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Net try.
Good job.
Well done, bud.
Alrighty guys, 35 kilo carp in the rain. We're going to send him on his way. Thank you, mate. Cool. Come on these rods, get the camera. This isn't, babe, this isn't a carp, I don't think. I'm not sure, this is big.
I don't want to lose it either. I don't care. Oh, this camera's got new change batteries.
This camera might go flat, guys, so we were just sitting there, this rod took off, but its first run was huge. So I'm not sure. It was on the pop-up and lamb, but it had been getting nibbled at, so I'm thinking the pop-up was just sitting there. Good chance it's a carp, but its first run was huge. Oh, maybe carp. Carp? Feels decent, hey? Its first run was huge. That's sick. That was sick. Big carp. I need to change the battery as soon as we get him in.
I thought you'd done that already.
No, I totally forgot.
I do it, but I don't have to break it.
Yeah. Or better.
I wonder why it took off.
Ooh, awesome. Get him on his way. Alrighty guys, about a 40 kilo carp, bit bigger than the last one. Probably send him on his way. Beautiful. Thank you, mate. Cool. What a fish, that was beautiful looking fish. Probably 40 kilos. That was chaos because this camera went flat, as you would have seen. I forgot to put the battery in it. And it was just raining, so we were about to rebait the rod and it just took off. But yeah, it's 2:30 now. We've got 2 carp on the deck. We're just rebaiting all our baits again, and yeah, hopefully we can get a predator. I'm sick of the carp now. But anyway, we'll keep trying. We're just gonna get some more live bait and oh, it's off.
Alligator?
Damn it! Yeah, alligator, I think. As I was talking is, for that, the fish has grabbed hold of it. Alright, we'll get him back out. Oh man, as if that happened. That was a bottom bait and it just took off. But then as soon as I went to set hooks, it dropped it. Teeth marks look like an alligator gar, so typical. That's the fish I really want and we just can't hook one. But anyway, like I said, we've rebaited. Oh, fish just jumped. These fish have just turned active since the rain. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking shit and hopefully we hook up soon and you're back on. See you then. Yeah, it dropped it. Wow. See the first run? Step back a bit.
It was weird.
That was another big run.
Siamese Carp.
Yep. That one went, and then this one did. That jumped off, and this one stayed on.
Yeah, we'll be on this.
Yeah.
Thing.
That was epic.
I think my chest mount picked it up, but that rod on the right was running, and I was trying to let it run before I striked it. And I let it, as soon as I picked up the rod, it dropped it straight away. And then as I was trying to set the rod back in the holder, this rod took off. On the llama pop up, another Siamese by the seams.
Do you want
you want to just wipe that camera? It seems like it's foggy. I don't know. It's just.
Do you want this line in or leave it?
I turned him. All right now. So I turned him. He's going right now.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel as big.
Probably another 35 or a 30 kilo one. Same.
Bloody carp. They've turned to be pests here. If you want carp, Sala 12. That's where they hang out and have their meetings. don't think he's big.
Got it. Yep.
He's tired.
Yeah, you get it. Nope.
Good job. Alright guys, another 35 to 40 kilo Siamese. They've become pests. Oh, you wanna spray?
Yeah.
Sweet. Cheers guys. I have lost count of the amount of carp we've caught. I was just asking Gemma. I think day 1 we got 1 carp and a red tail. Day 2 I think we got a carp and a stingray. Day 3 we got 4 carp. Yep, that's right, 4 carp. And no, that was day 3. And then today we've got, I think, 3 carp, right? So 9 carp. I'm trying to work it out. 9 carp all up. It's just been carp central, and this swim just seems to be carp non-stop. And we're just casting directly in front of our swim, probably 20 meters, and then throwing alarm balls, and then waiting, and then they just smash the pop up. Carp central, not what we come for, but look, that's all we're catching. So what can we do? We've still got 2 predator rods, so dead bait on the bottom out to the right, dead bait on the bottom out to the left, and our carp rod out in the middle. It's 4 p.m. Oh no, it's 4:20 p.m. At 5, I think we're going to pull in the carp rod and call it a day on the carp, and put a float out, and hope we can pull in a predator to finish our Thailand trip off. So here's hoping. We're sick of carp, but anyway, we're just having a couple of beers and just enjoying our final few hours here before we head into Patong for just a relaxation for a week, and then we're back home, back to work, back to reality, unfortunately, and editing these videos. So anyway, I'm going to shut yous off, and hopefully not long before we get another bite. Cheers. Ooh, good. Alright, we're on. Poo! Poo! On! Fish! Alright guys, thank you. This is bait. Predator.
Okay.
Good, good, good. Alrighty guys, Jem's gone to the toilet. It's not long after I just had a sip of my beer and we're on. This is a dead bait on the bottom, so I don't know what it is. Chow prior, arapaima, alligator, red tail catfish. But Jem's gone to the toilet, so he doesn't know it's hooked yet, I don't think. It hasn't had one run. Here it goes. It's got no head shakes, come on. Better not be a stingray. Ooh, maybe stingray. No head shakes. It's got no head shakes. Might be a stingray. Don't be a stingray. Stingray, I think. What do you think? Don't know. The way it's holding the bottom and not giving any head shakes. I just want a head shake so it's not a stingray.
Boilie?
Fish, dead fish. Stingray, baby. No, no. I think it's the stingray, guys. The way it's just holding the bottom. And not giving any head shakes. Here it comes.
Stingray.
Yeah. Yeah, we called it.
Yeah.
Good job. Oh. Very good. Alrighty guys, not the predator we're after. At least it's something different. We'll send him on his way. Go out there, buddy. Alright guys, just going 6 PM, our last hour of fishing. So what I've done is heavily baited up right in front. This carp rod's still out. In about 5 minutes I'm going to pull that in, so pull the pop up in, and then we're going to have 2 bottom baits with a piece of fish, and then I'm going to put the float out with a piece of fish. And let's hope we can bring in a predator in this last hour. That stingray doesn't count, I want a proper predator. So yeah, we're gonna heavily bait up and see what happens. Come on. Alrighty guys, it's probably 6:50. We've baited up and the bottom bait's just taken off. So it's either arapaima, chow prior, hopefully not a red tail. Please don't be a red tail.
What does it feel like? Don't know.
Fish.
Idiot.
Nah, not sure yet.
Not an alligator.
It's not doing a lot.
Please don't be a stingray.
No, it's not stingray.
Is it just there? I don't really want to shine a light on it, to
I
be
think
honest.
it's big.
What is it? It's right there.
No.
Oh, no good.
What is it? Oh.
Alrighty guys, that is it. We got that red tail right at the end. I didn't bother getting in the water or anything because there was only 5 minutes to go, so I thought just rebait up, get our rods straight back out. We had one more run, but it spat the hook, so unfortunately, that is a wrap for the Thailand series this time. 4 days here at Exotic Fishing Thailand. We've come to an end. I think in total we got 9 Siamese Carp, 2 Amazon Stingrays, and 2 Amazon Red Tail Catfish. So, not bad. But by EFT's terms, it's probably, you know, rather terrible, to be honest. It normally fishes a lot better. We've just probably caught it at the wrong time, got the wrong 4 days. There's probably people going to come here tomorrow and just absolutely smash it. But it was a full moon, so I don't know if that affects it much, but it was a full moon for any of you guys that are right into it. Maybe that didn't help us. Next time I book, I might try a new moon just to compare, really. But there's heaps of factors, you know. At the end of the day, the fish probably aren't hungry. But hey, 9 carp, anyone would be happy with that, right? So, look, it's been a good trip. It's been good to be back. Good to relax, good to catch fish, good to see Mike and the team, the staff, to see Dingo and to catch some fish. So we're happy, we're stoked, and now we've got to go have a shower, head back down, get our taxi and back into Patong for furthermore relaxing. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Not sure where the next episode's going to be, probably back in Australia, but hey, we'll see you then. Thanks for watching, take care, stay safe, bye.